Creative Designs by Clementine, where recycled materials and conventional materials are turned into high-end, unique, beautiful home decor. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, guys, I have them here. You can see them, and I'm going to attach them now. So I'm changing my bed. I had this skinny one, now I'm going for this one. I don't have the measurement anymore, so I don't know the size because I took them off, but I'm assuming it's about the same size of this screws I'm using. And this screws is 1/4 inch. And if you want to know if your screw is the right size for your project, if you can tell that, all you have to do is whatever you're going to add onto that, bring it on the top of the two pieces that you'll be attaching, and just go like this with your screw. And as you can see, I have more space here, so I have about probably less than 1/2 inch, but that will go in there, so I have enough screws to attach this and know that it will stick. So that's a way you can measure your screw in. I've already marked the area of where it's gonna be, so it's right in there, and the clip is there. And now I'm just going to drill. I have this whole part. I'm going to put the first screw in, because in that way I know that it's more stable, and that when I go to drill the second hole, I know it will be in place. So I'm going to put the first screw in. And first I want to put it on here first. Okay, it got stuck there. That's the reason I put this plank on it, so it doesn't put unnecessary holes to okay, it's stuck there. So there. And so now I'm going to drill the second hole, and so in that way I know I'm drilling in the right place. Okay, the first two legs are installed, and the same will be done for the other ones. So guys, it's not done yet, but the legs are in there. You can see there from under there. It's not done yet. And I'm gonna come this way so you guys can see. Okay, you can see there. Okay, there. It's not done yet. This is like a console table. These strips, I bought them from Lowe's. I think it used to be $2. Now it's either $2.99 or so. Inflation. Anyways, I took them to my garage and I cut them up. I'm going to use them as the trim for this. Okay, my battery gonna die soon. Anyways, I've already cut them up. You can see that. And you just grab a piece of sandpaper, and just sand the edges so it's not too sharp. Okay guys, so you can see there it's all dry, the glue. I removed the clamp from the other side, and there's the other ones that I have to remove. Okay guys, this is the strip, and I'm going to put it around here. This serves no purpose, it's just for decoration. So I'm not going to glue it, and in case if we have to get to the screws, you can just pull it out and get to the screws. And now I have this beautiful trim. I'm going to put on the side here. Right there. This one I will glue. To go around it, so I will use Scotch tape, and I'm gonna go all around that with it. Okay guys, I've done the side strips trim, so I'm doing this side right now. Gonna do that side so you guys can see. Okay guys, it's right there. I'm gonna clean the glue off it. You can see the glue at the top, but it's right there. And I'm gonna clean the glue off now. Okay guys, here it is. It's all put together. See how gorgeous that is. Now I'm going to untip it and pin it. You guys will see. Guys, I am spray painting this off-white. Spray painting it off-white, and yep, so let's see. Okay, now I'm using my spray gun. It's this electric one. So guys, here is it. It's not done. That's the first coat. But this is a beautiful way of color. I mixed that myself using paint and my clay to come up with this beautiful off-white color. I love this color because it's gonna match the decor that this console table is going with. Okay guys, I've done the second coat. And now I'm waiting for it to dry. So guys, I'm done with this console table. I prop it because I'm going to stain the top of this table now. And as you can see, it's not the best propping, but it can get the job done. Already tipped around it. And that's my own mix. That's my own mix of stain. I mix myself. I have to make a video showing you guys how I do my stain. But that's my own mix. I also use dirt to create that beautiful texture and thickness. But that's my own mix of stain I made there. So I'm going to stain this right now for you guys to see. I'll be starting from this point. This is that beautiful chocolate cocoa color that I was looking for. And that's the correct shade I got. Okay guys, look. I have the piece of cloth. And okay guys. So now you're going to take your stain brush, put a little bit of your stain, just a little bit, and you're going to dry brush this. So you want to dry brush it. Get a little bit of your stain, and you dry brush that. Okay, so I'm going to stain this table now, and what you can see here is clear wood stain and a little bit of Mod Podge because I want a tiny bit of sheen. And this is it. It's called wood stain clear tin base. I'm putting a little bit of water in there because I don't want it to be too thick. I want it to be kind of very light. So that's wood stain, a little bit of Mod Podge. You can see there. Tiny bit of water. Okay, should use my base anyway. See there, it's dry. Gonna stain it now. Okay guys, this thing is very fast drying, so I'm gonna move the tip now, and I will let it dry more, and then I will stain it. But you can see that beautiful white strip design.